pressed into the soil. What we're trying to do here is to keep the fabric away from the crop so that it doesn't rub on the young plants. Make a little mini greenhouse. A big mini greenhouse, actually. So at the ends we put a cross up. This gives extra support, which is vitally important. So this comes in a very large roll, which is heavy. It's the same fabric that's used to make diapers. It's easily weighed down with these bags of soil to keep it in place. Obviously, the more bags you put down, the stronger it is. If we're careful, we can get 2 or possibly 3 uses out of this, and it should make the difference of about 2 weeks in the starter production of this crop of tomatoes. It's not the easiest thing to lay when it's windy, but a little breeze is helpful. There you go, one finished mini greenhouse.